Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the physics lecture, O levels, and representing Begin Excellence Academy. My name is Mohammad Jasim Khan, and I have taught in different institutes of Lahore and even international. I taught in Beacon House, Algiers, SciCash, Lacasse, City School, and Christian Model High School. And even from 2017 to 2019, I was in Saudi Arabia working with international school. So we will discuss and I will teach you physics for O levels. So there are a book which we will cover, topics, and our very first topic will be for basic quantities. Most of the time, the very first chapter of O levels, mostly students think that it is not so much necessary or maybe it's very easy. But I want to tell you that either it feels and it shows that the topic is quite easy, but it is very important for O-level students for physics. Whatever you will study after that in physics, in the end, you must have to give your answer in numbers, and with that number, you will show a unit. Even this mistake can deduct your marks. The first topic of physics will eliminate this mistake if you will study, and I will teach you good about this topic. So, if I start the topic and want to tell you that before, whatever you want to share or sell, either a wheat, sugar, even if you want to measure something, a length, or even if you want to notice a time, right? So, before that, when this whole world was not actually globally connected, every sector or area has its own different units to calculate or to measure different quantities in different units. But now, when we are engaged and related to each other area-wise, so now it's our necessity that the quantity should be 1. What does it mean? If I want you to please bring a sugar, so this information is not complete. If I say, okay, bring sugar, but you are still stagnant, then how much amount of sugar actually I want? Suppose if I say, bring 1 part of sugar. Have you get connected? What does it mean? But if I say, bring 1 kg or 1 kilogram of sugar, now it is understood, right? So, units have this importance to understand. Like, for that we have 7 different quantities. First of all, as mass, length, time, electricity or electric current, amount of substance, temperature, so if I say these are the basic quantities, right? So now, if we want to be understood globally, so we should make the units same all over. So if a person bringing something to sell from Iran to Pakistan, like a cloth, and if he says, I want to send, I will pay you, I will sell you this cloth as you can say, yards. So we are not familiar with that actually. But if he says, okay, in meters, I will sell you this cloth, yes, now we can understand what does it mean. So this is the importance of units, and in your whole, when you will be well prepared enough to appear in your O levels, this topic will help you to grab good marks, because some of the questions will come in T1 in your MCQs, and most of the time with the theory questions where you need to find out the solution, the answers with the help of solution. So yes, for mass we made the units as kilogram. Standard, we set the standard which we call SI units, Standard International. For length, there is a meter. For electric current, it's ampere. For amount of substance, it's mole. For temperature, it's Kelvin. Then we will discuss more later on about this. This would be the actually brief, we can say elaboration about the topic till now, and we will be waiting for you to join our academy to get good marks and our facility. Till then, I'm signing off. Muhammad Asim Khan. Thank you so much.